We're searching this old creek, and people got boat docks that go out to it, but you know, we haven't got a lot of rain, so the creeks are even low. But this junk pile where this is, there's no telling how many people have been walking around here, and Tyler just did his holy crap thing. Funny. Pick that up. Let me see that. Oh, it's a shame that ear's broke. You would think with all the people that have walked around right here, I guess being that it's a little rough and quartz, yeah, the base even kind of feels ground, but it's really rough. Man, Ty, that's a nice one. Lucky. Anyway, Terry took off ahead. She's tired of Tyler being in the front, finding all the points.
Holy crap, I found another
Artifact. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hey, quick cleanup for Tyler's point. Kind of crude, but pretty translucent. I don't know if you can see that. But still really shocking that he found it right there. I mean, kind of looks like that ear right there has been broke. Would have been kind of nice. But again, thanks again for all the comments and for watching.